Morgan Myles is a full-time touring country singer and songwriter who has opened for noted musicians. Morgan Myles sings her cover of Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen on The Voice Season 22 blind auditions. Apart from being the first contestant to perform in the blind auditions, she became the first contestant of the season to get a fourth-year turn on The Voice Season 22. She performs the Leonard Cohen classic Hallelujah, a song we have heard a trillion times on singing shows over the years. Myles that most performers shy away from the Cohen classics since it's intimidating. Morgan from Pennsylvania, Morgan moved to Nashville, Tennessee in 2009 and has been living there ever since. Myles has actually been pursuing her musical dreams in Nashville for 16 years. She has toured all over the country and is currently a demo singer, and she even opened up a few festivals where Shelton headlined. Morgan choosing Camila as her coach on this season of The Voice. Given that the contestants' range and voice is so impressive, it can be expected that she has a long way to go in the competition. A full-time touring artist, Morgan has toured across 55 states in America and has opened for various famous country music artists, including her inspiration, Reba McEntire, who is also known as the Queen of Country. In 2020, Morgan released her debut album, Therapy. She has an extensive amount of experience in the music industry. She performed over 100 shows in the last year alone. She was really happy about that and seems to be very excited to get an opportunity to present her talent on America's biggest stage.